In this video, I'm going to show you how to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word quickly and easily. If you're formatting a document for school, work, or printing, changing the margins can make a big difference in how your page looks and how much content fits on each page. This is one of those simple word skills that saves time and helps your document look clean and professional. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tips and easy step-by-step guides. Let's get started. First, open your document in Microsoft Word. Once your file is open, look at the top ribbon and click the Layout tab. Depending on your version of Word, this may also appear as Page Layout, but either way, this is the section where you'll find all the page setup options. Now, in the Layout menu, find and click Margins. When you open the Margins dropdown, Word will show you several preset options you can choose from right away. You'll usually see choices like normal, narrow, wide, and sometimes mirrored or custom style layouts depending on your version of Word. If you want the standard setup, normal is usually the safest option because it gives you balanced spacing on all sides of the page. If you need more room for text, you can choose narrow to fit more content on each page. If you want a document with more white space, wide may be a better choice. Just select the preset that fits the type of document you're creating. As soon as you click one of these options, Word will automatically update your page margins. You should see the page layout change right away, and your content will reflow to match the new spacing. This is especially useful if you're trying to meet page limits, improve readability, or prepare a document for printing. If you ever want more control, Word also gives you the option to create custom margins. In the same Margins menu, look for a Custom Margins option. That lets you manually set the top, bottom, left, and right margins to exact measurements. This is helpful if you have specific formatting requirements for a report, essay, or business document. After you adjust the margins, take a moment to review the document and make sure everything still looks the way you want it to. Sometimes changing the margins can move text, images, or page breaks slightly, so it's always a good idea to scroll through and double-check the layout before you finish. And that's it. You now know how to adjust page margins in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks. Whether you're making your document look more polished or fitting more content on the page, this is a quick formatting trick that can really help. If this video was useful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.